Pierlite's been in the market in Australia and New Zealand for 70 years. We are proud of being at the forefront of development of products such as this ether fitting that we're bringing to the market, keeping our people safe and bringing people back to their work environment. We're actually installing these fittings in our offices to make our people feel comfortable and make them feel safe in their environment. They've missed that face-to-face interaction. It's a big part of our business and it's a big part of our culture here at Pierlite. People can be confident in returning to work because they're going to feel safer. They're going to feel more comfortable in their environment because this ether fitting is actually cleaning the air.
So there's a desperate need for this device that actually sanitising the air in the space. So the UVC inactivates the viruses and the HEPA filter cleans the particulate out of the air. And we've tested against the human coronavirus and the surrogate MS2 virus, and both of those are well over 99.99% inactivation rates. So the fitting that we have is really unobtrusive. In fact, when I walk into the office now, I actually struggle to spot the fitting in the ceiling because what we chose to do was develop the device in the form factor of a commercial light fitting. The application of the technology, hospitals, aged care, commercial office spaces, public transport hubs, airport lounges, etc. And that's where we're starting to see this be applied, is people that want safe environments.